In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 ways of achieving modern security controls so your team can work more safely. Number 1. Prevention of unauthorized access. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, helps increase authentication assurance. We recommend requiring it for all users. If you're not ready to deploy to all users, consider entering an emergency pilot for higher risk or more targeted users. You will also want to block legacy authentication protocols that allow users to bypass MFA requirements. Number 2. Control of authorized user access. Ensure only registered devices that comply with your organization's security policies can access your environment, to reduce the risk that would be posed by resident malware or intruders. To further increase your level of assurance, you can evaluate user and sign-on risk to block or restrict risky user access. You may also want to prevent your users from accessing other organization instances of the Office 365 applications. Number 3. Network protections. Some of the protections that you may have, traditionally provided by routing traffic back through your corporate network, can now be provided by the cloud apps your users are accessing. Office 365, for example, is globally distributed and designed to allow the customer network to route the user request to the closest Office 365 service entry point. We build resiliency into Office 365 to minimize potential disruption. Microsoft 365 and Azure protect your network from attacks like DDoS on behalf of their customers. With the above controls in place, you may be ready to route remote users' traffic directly to your Office 365. If you still require a VPN link for access to other applications, you can greatly improve your performance and user experience by implementing split tunneling. We strongly recommend that you review VPN and VPS infrastructure for updates, as attackers are actively tailoring exploits to take advantage of remote workers. Microsoft threat intelligence teams have observed multiple hackers targeting unpatched VPN systems for many months. Number 4. DLP. To help you prevent accidental disclosure of sensitive information, Office 365 has a rich set of built-in tools. You can use the built-in DLP capabilities of Teams and SharePoint to detect inappropriately stored or shared sensitive information. If part of your remote work strategy involves a bring your own device policy, you can use the conditional access app control to prevent sensitive data from being downloaded to users' personal devices. Number 5. Malware Detection. By default, SharePoint Online automatically scans for known malware. Enable Exchange Online protection to scan email messages for known malware. If your Office 365 subscription includes Office 365 Threat Protection, ATP, enable it to provide advanced protection against malware. If your organization uses Microsoft Defender, ATP, for endpoint protection, remember that each user is licensed for up to 5 company-managed devices. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.